follow protocol, right?
Of course I follow.
I mean, my schematics to a T, because if I find out that you drill too deep...
Once we open Frag Station 5, everything will be fine.
We are not opening Station 5 tonight.
Why?
Why? Because we have 2 employees who died a hell of a gruesome...
That has nothing to do with what we're doing here, Jack.
This is a PR nightmare.
We will handle it once we're done here.
And if you want to escalate the problem... Look, Rita, my daughter is up there. Now just promise me that you will shut down every single station until we can find out exactly what went wrong.
You have my word. Just take care of your family, and I'll take care of things up here. Okay? Later. God damn it.
Hey, Hector, call your family, send them south. Then head to 5. Make sure Rita doesn't do anything stupid. I don't trust that guy.
Does. What about the body?
I'll call the police on the way. I'm gonna get my family, and I'll meet you up there as soon as possible.
What a nightmare.
Has the greatest potential for serving as an ultra-rupture, which is much more likely to cause damage, death, and injury. It's limited to an area around the base of the Hollywood Hills, much of Hollywood. The valley.
Earthquake? It's an earthquake. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! Oh god. Oh god. Jack? Jack! Jack!
Where's your phone? Where's your phone?
The kitchen! I left the kitchen! Oh god! What are you doing? Come on, hurry! Get the phone! Come on! Jack! Oh my god.
What are you doing? Come on, let's go.
Go! Where? What do you mean?
We have to find our daughter. Come on.